Hey guys, so today's video is sponsored by Aveda. I'm going to be showing you these loose curls that I wear all the time. So to start off this hairstyle, I'm using the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, and this is from Aveda. I will link it down below. But basically, this is a multitasking formula, so it's a detangler and a leave-in treatment, but it also preps your styles, and it's a heat protectant for up to 450 degrees, which I love. And it's also 97% naturally derived, so that means that it has a lot of amazing natural ingredients in it. What I love about it is it smells so amazing. It has its own Aveda perfume aroma. Now I'm just using Aveda's wooden paddle brush, which is my favorite brush. It literally brushes through my hair so smoothly. It's definitely my favorite brush right now. So yeah, I'm just brushing out my hair, getting all the tangles out, and then I'm taking my blow dryer and just blow drying my hair. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go back in and just make sure my whole head is dry, because even after all that blow drying, sometimes my hair is still a little bit wet. So I'm just gonna make sure everything is dry, and then I'm gonna section off the top, and I'm gonna begin curling. So I'm just using a curling rod. Anyone will do. I think it's like a 1-inch. So I just kind of wrap my hair around, facing away from my face, and then I let it go, and that is literally it. It is so easy, and this is how I curl my hair every day, and I just think it's the easiest, and it really gives you those really pretty, loose, wavy curls. And I do like to brush out each section before I curl it, just so that all the curls are nice and smooth. Now I'm taking the top section down, and I'm kind of doing the exact same thing I did with the blow drying. So I'm taking down half, and I'm going to work on that half, and of course I'm brushing it out before I curl it. So yeah, looks like I lost some footage there. It went straight to the other side, but you guys get the point. So just brushing and then curling, and that is it. It's super easy. Okay, so before I do anything to the curls, I like to let them set and cool down. Then I just take my Aveda Air Control hairspray, which is my favorite hairspray right now. It is so amazing. It's light. It doesn't leave a crunch, which I hate. I don't even like using hairspray, but I will only use this one because it is just so light and airy and feels like I don't have hairspray in my hair, but it does keep the curls in place. So I'm just kind of spraying while I'm shaking my hair, you know, just kind of loosening the curls, and then I'm doing one last spray to set them in place, and that is basically it for this hairstyle. But wait, there's more. I'm now using the Damage Remedy Split End Repair. This stuff is so amazing. It's a life changer for me because I have some split ends. So I'm just applying this in my ends, and you can see my hair looks longer because it just kind of defluffed the ends, and it just looks nicer and healthier. So now I'm doing the other side, and this stuff is a miracle worker. Like, I'm gonna use this every day of my life. I love it so much. So that was my tutorial on these loose curls. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to purchase any of the products, you guys can check out Aveda.com or go to any Aveda store or salon. This is a Chic low pony, and I am obsessed with it. I think it's so cute. If you guys want to see how to get this hairstyle, then keep watching. So I'm starting off this hairstyle by applying the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. So now you can see I'm brushing my hair with my favorite brush. Now I'm blow drying my hair so that it will be ready for the hairstyle. Okay, so now I'm middle parting my hair, and you want it to be a very sharp and precise middle part. So now I'm just kind of smoothing out the sides and tucking them behind my ears. You want this look to be very, you know, precise and sleek because it is a chic look. So now I'm just taking the crown of my head and I'm going to tease that. And to help tease, I'm going to use the Aveda Air Control hairspray, which is such an amazing hairspray. I love it. It's very light and airy, which helps with the tease. And then I'm just kind of smoothing it out. Now I'm using the Control Force Firm Hold hairspray to really sleek down the front, because I do have some flyaways that will just go crazy. You want the front to be very sleek, so this stuff makes it not move at all, but it's not crunchy at all. It's like the best firm hold hairspray I've ever used. So now I'm just kind of smoothing out my hair and making sure everything is, you know, sleek and smooth. Now I'm just taking my hair and just placing it into a ponytail, so just kind of smooth it out with a brush and make sure every little piece is back in the pony, and then secure it. And then you're going to take your fingers and just pull out the bump just to give more volume. Then I applied some Chic black earrings. And now I'm applying this big, huge bow. So I'm just kind of securing that. It's a barrette, so it's very easy to place. And there we go. I love this hairstyle so much. I think it is so cute. Oh, I'm just obsessed with it. So now I'm just taking the pony. I'm just teasing that a little bit to give some volume. And that is it, you guys. That is the hairstyle. It is so easy. I love it so much. So that is it. That is the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I honestly am obsessed with like all their products. And I used this hairspray today, so check that out. It really does work really good for especially this hairstyle, because it keeps the hair down and slick, and it's not crunchy or crispy at all, but it keeps it down. I don't know how they did it. So check out their website, and I will see you guys later. Bye.